We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live, they travel far. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. The world is the greatest gymnasium where we can came to survive ourselves strong. The man has reached immortality who is disturbed by nothing material. All difference in this world are of degree and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. In one word, this ideal is that you are divine. The more we came out and do good things, the more our hearts will be purified and God will be in them. External nature is only internal right lodge. When an idea exclusively occupies the mind, it is transformed into an actual physical or mental state. The will is not free, it is a phenomenon bound by cause and effect, but there is something behind the will which is free. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. The whole secret of existence is to have no fear. Never fear what will become of you. Depend on no one. Only the moment you reject all help are you freed. All the power in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that is dark. Truth can be stated in 1,000 different ways, yet each one can be true. Where can we go to find the God if we cannot see Him in our own heart and in every living being? God is be worshipped as the one beloved, dearer than everything in its and next life. If money help a man to do good things, others, it is one of the some value, but if not, it is simple mass of evil, and in sooner it got rid of the better.